Because first of all, there has to be a need. It has to be a topical issue. Things that people are all struggling with, you know. So that is important, because then you know that there's need and it will immediately. And then the need may not be on the sides of the people who actually handle policy and change policy, who you can target, but the need should be arising from your target group. Like we promote the efforts of civil society, like a CDRM. So once you create that need, and you create some degree of discomfort within them, then they will definitely see that there's a need here, we need to move forward and advocate for policy change. So I see that as important. Another important bit is to actually to do quality research. And quality research from the perspective of civil society may not be this quantitative, how many people have said what and whatever, but it's more of the qualitative aspects, the voices of the victims. You know, how well do you represent the voices of the victims? And how can you use that to really help other people appreciate that there's a problem? So there's a whole question of research and that kind of stuff. But I've seen that it's also good to invest time. You are not going to succeed in a day. It's good to invest time. It's good to know who are the gatekeepers in the policy process. It's good to really continue to make friends. Because I see two kinds of policy change. There's one which is more neutral, it's more factual, which is much easier to deal with. But there's a policy process which is more political. It means that some people are going to lose out if any change is made. And that also requires a different kind of approach. You know, it requires pressure. Meanwhile, the other one requires dealing with people's heads